Welcome to Maqbool Academy. How to disable Discord from starting up automatically when booting my Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I remember that some applications have settings within them to control whether they launch on startup. So maybe Discord has such an option. Let me check that first. Before this, please don't skip the video and watch till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like our video. Just turn to the computer screen. Navigate to Startup tab 10 seconds. Step 1. Press Ctrl+Shift to open Task Manager. Step 2. Next, click the Startup tab to view apps that launch at boot. Step 4. Find Discord in the list. Step 3. Locate and disable Discord. Right-click it and choose Disable to stop it from auto-starting. 5. Restart computer. Finally, restart your computer.